Tonight, I want to tell you a story you're not going to forget. A story about a man who discovered that one shift that turned 2025 into the most profitable year of his life, and how the same shift is already happening around you, right now, quietly, silently, massively. The most people are not even aware of it. But the people who do notice, they are the ones who wake up in 2026 earning more money than the previous 5 years combined. So tonight, listen closely because this story might be the one that flips everything for you. There was a guy named Michael, not rich, not broke, just stuck, working a 9 to 5 that drained him, living paycheck to paycheck, scrolling through social media every night, watching others succeed, wondering why he could not break through. But one night around 10 p.m., just like right now, he was sitting alone in his apartment, frustrated with his life. He felt like something had to change, but he didn't know what. Then something happened. He came across a short video talking about a phrase he had never heard before: the energy alignment. The idea was simple: money doesn't come when you force, money comes when you align. Not hustle, not stress, not fear, just alignment. The video said, when your beliefs, emotions, and actions line up with abundance, money shows up quickly, effortlessly, repeatedly. He didn't fully understand it, but something about it felt true. Like his entire life, he had been swimming upstream. That night, he decided to test it, not by starting a business and not by grinding harder, but by shifting the energy behind the way he thought about money. For the first time in his life, he stopped saying, I can't afford that. Money is hard to make. I never get lucky. Why would the universe help me? And he replaced all these sentences with, money wants to come to me, opportunities show up for me, 2026 is the year everything aligns. I am open, fully open to receiving. It felt weird at first time, but each night at 10 p.m. he repeated these affirmations with conviction. Not begging, not needing, just aligning. And something strange happened. Little things started to shift. A co-worker randomly told him about a freelance project that paid $500. A bill he forgot about ended up getting refunded. A friend connected him to someone hiring for a higher payroll. And within 3 months, his income doubled. This is not magic. I want you to know, friends, this is not magic. And not because he worked more, not because he was lucky, but because he finally matched the frequency of abundance. Most people miss the spiritual angle. We are spiritual beings. The things which you can't see has more power than the things which you can see. By early 2026, opportunities were flowing like never before to you. And for Michael, the whole 2025 was like a miracle. Michael wasn't chasing money anymore. Money was chasing him. Because the moment he shifted his internal state, the universe shifted its external response. Money became normal, receiving became normal, growth became normal. And the craziest part, Michael wasn't special, he wasn't gifted, he wasn't born rich, and he wasn't connected. He just learned the one truth most people never figure out in their entire life. Money responds to alignment, not effort. So many people die middle class and poor class without knowing this simple statement. They don't know this secret. Money responds to alignment, not effort. And now, as you're listening to this, the same shift is happening in your life too. You found this video at the exact moment you needed to hear it. You're in the energy where your money story is ready to change. And 2026 is lining up to be your wealthiest year ever. So repeat this with me tonight. I am aligned with money. I am aligned with opportunities. I am aligned with abundance. 2026 is my final breakthrough year. Say it, feel it, own it, because your shift begins right now, not tomorrow, not next week, tonight. If you are ready for 2026 to be your richest year ever, type I am ready to receive in the comments so this energy becomes your reality. Your breakthrough starts tonight, and I'll see you in my next video.